Okay, so the next thing we will see is how to install packages in Emacs using MELPA. We saw in a previous lecture that Emacs is a very powerful editor that can be used to write code and several other things, and therefore it's very easy actually to install additional packages and increase its functionality. Okay, let's open a terminal. I will connect to the server. And in order to set up the MELPA repository, so what MELPA is? MELPA is a repository where we can download more or less automatically packages for Emacs. So as we have the repository for Debian, where we can download and install packages for and programs for Debian, the same thing works for Emacs. So there is a repository for packages for Emacs. Now sometimes the connection with MELPA is not working very well, so you have to Google it if there is a problem, but I think this setup that I will show to you here works at least well. Okay, so what we do? First, when we installed Emacs, there was a directory was generated called .emacs.d. This is in the home folder of the user, so we need to go inside there. And then there is a package, there is a file called init.el that I will open here, and maybe this file does not exist in your computer. So you will have to create it. Actually, this command will create the file if it doesn't exist. Okay. If your file doesn't exist, you will have nothing here. It will be empty. Or if you have used init.el for other reasons, maybe you will have some other things here. In any case, you can put all these lines inside your init.el file. And these lines, it's actually Lisp code that tells Emacs to use MELPA. It shows here the address of MELPA, and here for package archives, it says that okay, use GNU and MELPA as a mirror. And this line is necessary because there is some bug somewhere in MELPA, so I just googled it and found out that this is a solution, and I guess it works well. Okay, save this, I go out, and then if I want to install some package, I just open Emacs and I press Alt-X, so it waits here in the mini buffer, list packages, to show all the packages available in the MELPA repository. We'll try to connect. Now let's see if we can install some package. So these are all the available packages. You see here the keyword available, and this is in MELPA. If we go down, you see, for example, here it's available and it is in GNU. Some other things will be built in. I need to go down quite a lot probably. Let's see. Search works here, so Control S work. Build in. So many things are built in. So they are installed already. Let's see if there is this famous autocomplete. All these are autocomplete packages for different purposes. and maybe here is the autocomplete package. I have installed it actually in this machine. Okay, let's go somewhere here in the beginning and try to install a package. Okay, let's say that we want to install this ALL package, which is available from GNU, edit all lines matching a given regexp. I haven't used it, I don't know what exactly it is, but in order to install something, I need to have my cursor on the line of the package and press I. And then you will see an I here. You can choose other packages that you want. If there's anything like Vim-like, it would be funny. Okay. Whatever. Let's install this theme as well. Okay. And then if I'm here, press I, it will be installed. So now I have to press X in order to install the selected packages. Here it asks us if we want to proceed. Okay, press Y, tries to connect to MELPA, and then tries to install packages. Okay, let's see now how to initiate a package. So previously I installed the autocomplete package. Let's see if this will work. Okay, I go to my home directory and I open a R file. Have these variables here. Then I press Alt X and the name of the package that I want to initiate. Autocomplete mode, enter. Autocomplete mode enabling buffer, so I just run R now. Okay. There is this variable called asec_cnd, and then there is a second variable here. So let's say that I start this third variable that I want to be the sum of asecond and asecond2. Okay, then if I type as, autocomplete package suggests either asec_cnd or asec_nd2. I can go up and down with the arrows. So this one plus this one, for example. If I could have another variable, okay, I have the third variable here. Now fourth going to be the third one. There is no other option, so it suggests just this one. I just press enter and autocompletes that. Yeah, and autocomplete is a very, very useful thing for Emacs because you need to type a lot sometimes. So yeah, go ahead, install it and use it. Thanks a lot.